13. In this video, I will brief you about writing additional references section of quality analysis report. As a part of this section, we write annotations on three different articles that are selected by you people. While selecting your article, it is very important that you cross check the context of the identified article or selected article with the context of the target article on which it was asked to conduct quality analysis. Let us see, this is a sample work. It's a sample article that I have selected, and in this document, under references section, there are plenty of articles, like number of articles that are related to the context. Okay, so our context. So as the references are included in the target article, 99.99% those articles are in line or in context with the target research article, so they are optimal to select. However, it is important to identify one thing, that the article you select must be recent article. If you see here, these are most of the articles that are mentioned here are uh, 5 5 years less, like within the time period of 5 years from today. So maybe like we select, if even it contain different articles, like maybe 2013, 12, 14 articles, we try to select maybe 2015, 16, 17, 18 articles. Okay, if your research document does not contain references that are recent ones, it is better that you go and cross check online and try to find few articles related to it. Okay, that would be better. So how to select articles? So open Google, and I know you guys have idea about it, so you can cross check about your topic. You can search your topic, and by using your topic, you can search on Google and try to identify some proper research articles which consists of complete details, means name, year, title, volume, serial number. It should be a research article, means journal article. So these things should be definitely followed. Only select article only when it contains all these details, right? So next, after selecting the article, we write annotations on those articles. Okay, uh, a list of three annotations we write. Try to follow the annotation rules. Like usually you people know, like you already wrote number of annotations, but people who are new to it, they need to summarize the article by mentioning critical information in the document. You should discuss about what is the purpose of the article, purpose of writing, what are the important points that are discussed by the author, and like a few extra points. If you want to add, you can add, and some additional points from the outside research articles can also be added. But mostly, like I would like to recommend you people to cross check with cross check with some of the important sections, like giving introduction to the article, writing purpose of the article, then describe few important points that are mentioned by the author in the article, and what kind of conclusions author made out of the article. These things, if you include these things, it is fine, I guess. And after fixing it, start with another article. Like this, you need to write three annotations for this report. Okay, thank you.